Chapter 9. Be Healthy, Live Longer. Introduction to the chapter. History is full of stories and incidents from the lives of great men who led many discoveries and inventions. These help to make our lives more comfortable. In this chapter, you will study about such people who discovered new machines of medical treatment and make our life comfortable and easy. In olden times, man could not live long time because he had many dangerous diseases, but he did not know how to face them. Later, he has discovered hundreds of secrets about his health. Modern man is healthier and lives a longer life than his ancestors. Man has developed many new methods of treatment that have reduced the pain and suffering caused by diseases. He has also developed many instruments and machines that help in fighting diseases. Above all, man has found many ways of preventing dreadful diseases. Prevention is always better than cure. Medical instruments. Clinical thermometer. In olden times, the intensity of fever was known roughly only by touching the body or by feeling the pulse. Nowadays, a clinical thermometer is used that tells about the body temperature very accurately. It measures the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, degree F, or Celsius, degree C. It was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714. Do you know what a room thermometer is used for? The normal temperature of the human body is 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. When the body temperature goes above this level, it is a fever. A thermometer is put inside the mouth or under the armpit of the patient for a few seconds and an accurate reading is obtained. It helps the doctor in treating the patient properly. The scale marked on the thermometer ranges between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Some thermometers have both Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. Today, both analog or mercury and digital thermometers are available. Ask your teacher the difference between the two. Stethoscope. Doctors generally carry an instrument around their necks. It is called the stethoscope. It is used to find out the condition of the patient's heart and lungs. The stethoscope was invented by Dr. René Laennec. Once noticed two children sitting at two ends of a long and hollow log of wood. They were whispering through it. Even the faintest sound could be heard through the log. The doctor was amazed at this. Back in his clinic, Dr. René tried an experiment. He rolled up a newspaper and placed one end on a patient's chest and the other end to his ear. To his amazement, he could hear the heartbeat of the patient. This experiment led to the invention of the stethoscope. Today, every doctor uses a stethoscope. Microscope. Lenses were known to us about 400 years ago. They were used to make spectacles. In 1590, two Dutchmen Johannes and Zacharias Janssen discovered that if a fly is seen by keeping one lens behind another, it looks very big. They used this observation to make a toy called flea glass. It became very popular among the children at that time. Galileo learnt about this invention and improved it. He used two lenses to make an early version of the microscope. A microscope is an instrument that makes very small object look big. Over the years, the microscope kept on improving. It was an important invention in the fight against diseases. The cause of various diseases could now be known. Over the years, scientists were able to identify the germs that cause diseases. Finding the causes made it easier to find methods of curing them. New machines. Scientists and doctors all over the world are continuously working to develop new and advanced machines to understand what goes on inside the human body. X-ray, ultrasound, CAT scan and MRI machines help doctors to find the condition of the internal organs and bones in our body. These machines also help in surgery. Surgery. Surgery is the method of curing a disease or injury by cutting open the body in an operation. Surgery is performed by special doctors called surgeons. They perform surgery using many instruments and medicines. Over the years, doctors have learned a lot about the human body. Today, damaged body organs can be replaced by healthy ones. Replacement of the heart, kidneys, liver and many other organs is possible. Thus, surgery has enabled humans to live longer than their ancestors. Wonder medicines. In the past, people were very superstitious. They believed that diseases were caused due to one's bad deeds or by evil spirits. They went with doctors or magicians to get cured. Modern medicine has brought a great deal of change among people's attitude. Medicines help doctors. These are described below. Penicillin. In 1928, penicillin was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming. Penicillin is an antibiotic. It prevents infections in the body by preventing growth of bacteria. Diseases such as malaria, cholera, plague and tuberculosis can now be cured fully. Chloroform. Earlier, surgery was very painful. All surgeries were carried out without making the patient unconscious. Today, surgeries are performed after giving anesthesia to the patient. Chloroform was probably the first medicine used to give anesthesia. James Simpson was the first to use chloroform in surgery. Inhaling chloroform makes a person unconscious. Preventing diseases. Vaccination. Through vaccination, the body is made to develop a defense system which makes it immune from diseases. Smallpox, a deadly disease, was very common in the 18th century. The vaccine to prevent smallpox was discovered by Edward Jenner, an English doctor. Dr. Jenner had observed people who had been infected with cowpox, a disease that humans get from cattle, were not affected by smallpox. To test his theory, Dr. Jenner inoculated a boy with cowpox. The boy suffered from mild cowpox but soon recovered. Later, he inoculated the same boy with smallpox. To his delight, the boy showed no sign of the dreaded disease. In this way, Dr. Jenner found protection against smallpox. Later, an anti-smallpox has been developed. Today, smallpox has been almost wiped out from the world. Vaccines were made for diseases such as tuberculosis, cholera, tetanus, yellow fever, polio and typhoid. This paved the way for immunology or the prevention of diseases. Dr. Jenner was the first to use the word virus. Antiseptics. Sometimes chemicals are used to kill germs. They are called antiseptics. More than 150 years ago, Joseph Lister, a British surgeon, discovered that infections could be prevented by washing wounds in solution of carbolic acid. Before that, many patients used to die of infected wounds, especially after surgery. He had discovered the first antiseptic. Antiseptics are used to disinfect wounds and surgical instruments. Pasteurization. Louis Pasteur was a French scientist who discovered that heat can kill germs. Many germs which cause diseases enter the human body through milk, water and air. He showed that germs in milk and water can be killed by boiling them. This is the reason we always take milk after boiling it. He found that if milk is heated for half an hour at a certain temperature and then cooled, the germs in it are killed. This process is called pasteurization. Pasteurized milk is available today in polypacks and bottles. It is free from germs, so it cannot spread any disease. Basic health care. There are many simple ways to keep ourselves healthy and free from diseases. Some of them are as follows. Keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Do not walk barefoot as germs can enter the body through the skin. Keep the food covered at all times. Eat healthy and nutritious food. Exercise daily. Wash your hands before and after meals.